Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to switch account on ByBit in the web version. Let's get started. ByBit now offers users the convenience of switching between the various accounts effortlessly using the account switch function. To navigate between your accounts, simply hover your cursor over your profile icon and click on the account you would like to go to, or click on switch or create account to access the sub-account functions, account switch, sub-account management and sub-account creation from the pop-up window displayed. If you are not able to locate one of your sub-accounts, it is possible that the account switch feature is not enabled on this sub-account. To activate it, please log into your main account, go to your sub-account page, and click on the settings of the respective sub-account to enable or disable the account switch function for this sub-account. Once it's enabled, you can also click on the account switch button of the account to log into the chosen sub-account. Note: account switch is not available for custodial trading sub-accounts, frozen sub-accounts, or when your account switch or login permission is toggled off. If you log into your sub-account directly via the login page, you will not be able to switch back to the main account. If you have switched and stayed on your sub-account for 30 days or more, you will not be able to switch back to your main account. Please log out from your sub-account and log into your main account again. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.